A 300-meter long train is running at a speed of 20 km per hour. Another 200-meter long train is running in the opposite direction at a speed of 10 km per hour. How many seconds will they take to cross each other? Option A 15, option B 45, option C 60, option D 75. Here the direction of the trains are opposite, so the relative speed will be added. So the relative speed will be 20 km per hour plus 10 km per hour. That means 20 plus 10 km per hour. If you convert into meter per second, here will be. Now we can calculate 30 into 1000 convert into meter by 1 hour, that means 3600. 50 by 6 মানে 25 by 3 meter per second. Here the question is how many seconds will they take to cross each other. So the required second will be the 300 meter plus 200 meter equal to 500 meter by the speed 25 by 3. 500 into 3 by 25. If we calculate 25 into 10, 250. So 25 into 20, 500. 20 into 3, 60 seconds. So the option C will be the answer. If you like the math, please like, share and subscribe our channel.